Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum everyone. Hope you all are fine. Now we are going to start online lecture 3 of grade 2, chapter 6, drawing in paint. Recap. In our second lecture, we have done different tools in paint: text tool, select tool, magnifier tool and color picker tool. Now actually we are going to start the exercises of this chapter. Question number 1, fill in the blanks with the correct words. Word bank is given and the words are color 2, foreground, polygon, text and shapes. Number 1 is, in the colors group, click color 1 button for the dash color. Color 1 is actually used for the foreground color. So foreground is the correct word. The next statement is, the dash group has different ready-made shapes, and the answer is shapes group. The next statement is, the dash tool is used to make a custom shape with any number of sides, and the tool is polygon tool. The polygon tool is used to make a custom shape with any number of sides. The second last statement is, when you click the dash tool, the text tab appears in the toolbar, and when you click the text tool, the text tab appears in the toolbar. The last statement is, the dash button in the colors group is used for the background color, and color 2 button is in the colors group is used for the background color. Part 2. Choose the correct option. Number 1, the tool used to fill a selected color in any closed shape is color, fill with color, fill, none of these. And the correct option is second one, fill with color, that is bold. The next statement is, the tool used to set the current foreground or background color is, options are color 1, color 2, fill with color and color picker. Actually, the answer is color picker. The color picker tool is actually used to set the current foreground or background color. The next statement is, the tool used to make something look bigger than it actually is the magnifier tool. And option 1, magnifier tool is the correct option. The next is, to select any square or rectangular part of the drawing, click select all, rectangular selection, free from selection, or all of these. And the second option, rectangular selection, is the correct one. The last one is, to draw a custom shape with any number of sides, choose the polygon tool, triangle tool, rectangle tool or star tool. And the first one, polygon tool, is the correct option. Next part of exercises, answer the following. Part A, name any 5 ready-made shapes in the shapes tool. And the answer which I'm going to write here, rectangles, ellipses, triangles, arrows and hearts. You guys can change the name of these ready-made shapes according to your choice. The next part is, how will you select an irregularly shaped part of a drawing? And the answer is, to select an irregularly shaped part of a drawing. In the image group, click the down arrow under select and click freeform selection, and then drag the pointer to select that part of the drawing. The next part is, you decide to make a birthday card for your friend. Which paint tools would be the best ones to use? Why do you think this? Students, this is your activity. You have to do this question by yourself. The next part is, Maria wants to draw lines with 45 degrees and 90 degrees angle each. Guide her on how to do this in paint. And the answer is, when drawing lines in paint, Maria should hold down the left mouse button at the same time as holding down the shift key. As the cursor is moved by the mouse, the line on screen will move in 45-degree angle steps rather than 1 degree at a time. The next part is, Alina drew a lot of small flowers and even smaller honeybees in her drawing in paint. She wants to look at the honeybee closely. How can she do this? Why is this really useful tool to use? And the answer is, Elena can use the magnify tool to zoom closely into the honey bees. This is a useful tool to use because it shows every part of the drawing area in detail. It helps us decide what to change. Worksheet 3, page 82 of your textbook. Question number 1. Name these tools used in paint. The first icon is actually showing the fill with color tool. The second one, eraser tool. The C one, magnify tool. And the last one is polygon tool. The second question is, who am I? Number 1, I am the option used to start a new drawing. And this is actually about new option. The next statement is, I am the option used to open an already saved drawing. And it's about open. The next statement is, I am the command used to save a drawing. And it's about save. The D part is, I am the tool used to draw a line of a different texture. And it's about brushes tool. The second last is, I am the tool used to draw a straight line. It's about line tool. And the last one is, I'm used to select the thickness of a line. It's about size button. Practice time. Students, draw the following in paint using the tools you have learned. Save the files with different file names. The tools which you have to use to draw this scenery in paint: pencil tool, brushes tool, fill with color tool. Hope this will be very easy to you because we have learned about all the tools in paint. So to get the next videos, please subscribe our YouTube channel, The Broadway School. And till then, now take care, stay safe. Thank you so much.